Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change username or handle on Twitter app. So first we go and open Twitter. First we go and tap on profile logo on top left here, and from here we scroll until we tap on setting and privacy, and from here we go and tap on your account, and from here we tap on account information, and from here you will see this here username. If we tap on it, it will redirect us to this page where we can change the username, and after we write the username we need to change to, we go and tap on done here. It will save it. So thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe to our channel.